Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Shelby County, southern Rush County, northeastern Decatur County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shelbyville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Rushville, St. Paul, Milroy, Glenwood, Clarksburg, New Salem, Manila, Waldron, Sandusky, and Moscow. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 113 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Decatur, Rush, and Shelby. This is NOAA.